How to use a Shein referral code. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can use the referral code of Shein. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application. In case you have a Shein app installed in your device, you can also go ahead and tap onto that app and get logged into your account. Now, if you are using a web browser, at the top search bar, type in www.shein.com and get logged into your Shein account. Then tap on Me section on your bottom right. Here under More Services, you will see Share and Earn. Tap open it. A link will be automatically generated for you. This is the link. Go ahead and tap on Copy. In case you would like to share this link to other platforms, tap on Others. Then you can either share it in your Pinterest, Twitter, or Facebook. The invitation process is inviting your friends registration, and then you will be able to earn rewards. In case you would like to see your reward detail, at the bottom page, tap on View Details, and this is how you can view it. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.